That's it right here. Today I'm gonna install a double den Pioneer CarPlay. First I'm gonna show you how to remove it, and then what kind of mounting kit and harness you need, and then not to take this airbag plug out on the back, because what happened, you will have airbag lights on. So do not take this out, the airbag. So in order to take this out, you will want to use this tool right here. You can grab this tool from anywhere, AutoZone, anything. It's called door removal. Plastic, you gotta get the plastic one. So you want to go around here and push it in right here and kind of move it out a little bit right here. Go around. Once it moves out a little bit, you can just pull it out like this, straight out like that. But yep. So with a little bit crack like that, you can just pull it out. One hand, and then once it come out, you coming down right here, you should have a spot right here you can pull, and then the whole thing will come out like that. And just put this on the side and take the there's 4 Phillips to take that out. If you have a magnetized like that, magnet like that, that'd be great. Now I will show you. Just you pull it straight out, pull the radio out like that, straight out, and then it's gonna come up about that much right there. All you have to do is push this in and then pull it straight out. Same on all of them. And then this part right here, a little bit tricky. You got to push it hard right here. Push this button hard and pull it. But leave the rest like that. Don't touch anything, and do not turn the key to on position if you ever take that out. But if you didn't take that out, you're fine. This is a mounting kit that you would need. It's 99 or 95, 76, 24, but the 99 will do the same. That's for the mounting kit. That's and then the harness you will need is RAP-NI-7552. It's just a cheaper version of Metra, but it works great though. And then I am installing the Pioneer. I believe it's the DMH160BT. So some people start with this first, and then some people start with wiring it first. I'm gonna start wiring this first, and then usually I keep the OEM radio on hand so I know exactly what to do, where to cut, instead of just read instruction, because there's too much instruction to read. So what it's saying is that this one and this one, so you want to keep all the A, this right there, A, and then that's A. You do the same to the other side, which is the right side. The number you want to use is XL7624-1, and the same as the other one, but it's just the XR, meaning it's the right side. So just keep the A, cut everything else except the A. That's all you need is this two, this A. And do the same to the other side. Use the wide bracket. So compared to the factory and the aftermarket, it should look the same like that. The top should be up here and the bottom should be closer than the back, than the top. Alright, I'm installing the wrap NI7552. I'm hooking it up right there. What you want to do, you want to hook up the blue and white for the remote turn on if it's just got a built-in amp. I'm probably pretty sure it's got a built-in amp. So speaker wire is white, green, purple, and gray. You just hook it up. The one with the stripe go with the black stripe. Hook it up with the black stripe, and then you got red, and then you got black. Now on this harness, it does not have a black wire, which is the ground. This is not it. This is for like Subaru. So you want to hook up the ground, the light green from the radio, this Pioneer, this BT 160 BT, I think. DH is a DH, but you want to hook up the light green for the parking light to with the black, just in case that they want to clear the Bluetooth, because with Pioneer, if you don't clear if you have more than 5 Bluetooth in there, it won't work. It won't take another one. So, and that's in my video too, how to clear the Pioneer Bluetooth. Everything that's not hooked up, make sure you tape it so it don't short anything else. And now it's ready to go back in the car. That's it right here. Here where we at right here.